In order to reset your Mac, you need to do 3 quick things. First, go ahead and open Music, iTunes. Then go ahead and tap on Account on the top bar, then go on Authorization, and then deauthorize this computer. Enter Apple ID and password, then deauthorize. Next we need to sign out of our Apple ID. So we're gonna need to go to System Preferences, then tap on Apple ID, then go on Overview, then Sign Out. Then sign out and remove the card. Then close System Preferences. Finally, go ahead, and then open up Messages or iMessages depending on your Mac OS. Then we're gonna go ahead on the top bar and tap on Messages, then tap on Preferences, then we're gonna sign out iMessages as well. As we can see, that for some reason it doesn't sign out automatically. So we're gonna go ahead and tab on the message. I can see my Apple ID there. As we can see, sign out option, so go ahead and press on sign out. Now we only have to turn off our computer. But before we do that, it's very important that we do this process while plugged into the charger. It is recommended. Because if your battery dies in the process, you may have issues. Okay, so make sure you do this while you are plugged in. The next step is to put the Mac in recovery mode. Intel-based Mac, that pretty much all we have. Press on the home button or the power button, and as soon as we see the Apple logo on screen, we're gonna press Command+R, and keep holding until we see the loading bar below the Apple logo. It may take a few seconds. When we see the loading bar, then let it go. And the Mac will start up in the recovery mode. Then everything we do, we gonna go to Disk Utility. That's the tools we gonna use to reset and delete everything and all the data on the Mac. So click on it, click on Continue, then we gonna see our Disk Utility. And as we can see, we have 2 disks. We have Macintosh HD and Mac OS based system. So we're gonna be managing Macintosh HD. This is very important. Macintosh HD is your hard drive, where all your files and apps and document everything is stored in your Mac. That we want to delete. Below we have Mac OS base, and we don't play with it. This is your base operating system. This is the OS itself. We don't want to delete it, we don't want to play with it, or anything like that. If we delete this, there is gonna be a hassle. So don't play with it. Okay, so go back to the Macintosh HD that we have to delete. All we need to do is go ahead and tap on Erase. So click on Erase, and recommend to not change format name or anything, just click on Erase and let it do it things. So it will erase all your data, all your files from the Macintosh HD. It is a matter of waiting, then we can hit the done. Guys, we can see it automatically go in macOS base system. But again, do not play with it or erase anything. Go back to Macintosh HD, and as you guys see, some of the storage is free, but not the whole storage removed yet. So go down Macintosh HD data, because there is a little partition on every Mac. So we're gonna go down to Macintosh HD data, and then we're gonna need to manually delete as well. So to do that, go ahead and go to the minus button, and tap on it. Then delete it, and erase it, and you're gonna need to get rid of that as well. Until you see the empty Macintosh HD, totally empty, completely free. As you guys see, now we successfully reset our Mac. We have no info, no data, no apps, absolutely anything in our Mac. Now all you have to do, is go up to Disk Utility, and you're gonna go to quit the Disk Utility, cause, now we are done. And then we're gonna need to reinstall Mac. So we just gonna reinstall the operating system, as easy as that. So tap on it, hit on next, then we're gonna go ahead, and install, and it's gonna probably say that you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, you have to do it manually, so we can go ahead, and hit on OK, and go straight to the Wi-Fi bars, connect your Wi-Fi and put in your Wi-Fi password and hit OK. And as soon as we connected Wi-Fi we can go back again, and install macOS. This installed macOS base system that we have, that we didn't play with, we didn't touch. If we touch that macOS base system, we wouldn't be able to reinstall macOS. So this is the process. We're gonna erase, reset the Macintosh HD. So delete everything from the HD, and then reinstall the macOS. Then just hit next, next. Select the hard drive, which is Macintosh HD, which is completely empty and completely free for us. Continue, and now it's just a matter of waiting. We are pretty much done with the process right now. So now we are ready. As we can see, we have a welcome screen, meaning that the computer is ready to be set up as a brand new machine. So we can go ahead and set it up. If you wanna still use it, or maybe you just gonna give it away, or something. Your computer is ready, empty, and blank. Ready to be given away to somebody, or to be sold, or wanting like that. So that's pretty much shared, guys. Hope you enjoy it. See you next video.